Good morning, traders. Nick Mastandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Thursday, October 17th. It's a little after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. Big news of the day is a default was averted, if you will, because Congress finally came to terms and President Obama signed the debt ceiling deal into law. In terms of the markets, as in the overnight session, Asia closed pretty much mixed, with about half the exchanges closing to the high side and the other half closing to the low side. In Europe right now, currently all of Europe is trading lower. I guess the old adage of buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation is alive and well on Wall Street. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the US dollar is trading lower. It's been pretty much trading lower all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading lower. There's no correlation between the US dollar and crude today, at least as of this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds. Bonds are trading higher. This is not very bullish for the markets or the indices. The indices as they stand right now, and basically they're all trading to the downside. And that would include the S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Metals in terms of gold is just taking off and it's zooming right now. I mean, this is up over 200 points. It was actually much higher this morning, but it's come down somewhat. We're going to take a look at economic news as it stands today. We do have unemployment claims, which is out at 8:30 a.m. East Coast time. We also have the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index at 10 a.m. These are both major and could be construed as market movers, if you will. We also have two separate members of the FOMC speaking at the same time, 12:45 p.m. in different locations. Probably going to congratulate Congress on a job well done, etc., etc. So need to take that with a grain of salt. Our bias today is to the downside. We think that what's been happening is that up until the time that the default was averted, I mean, it was pretty much a situation of buy the rumor. Now it's going to be a situation of sell the news. So we do think that we'll see some downside action today. Could this change? Absolutely. As I said earlier, we do have a couple of major economic reports that could move the markets. We'll have to see how that plays out. Obviously, could this change? Of course. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.